Hi friends, today I come with a video on how we can overcome negative thinking or overthinking. My friend, thinking is fine, but overthinking makes you dull, pushes you to wall, and you develop negativity and your judgments become cloudy and you will not be able to act. So it is important that we should overcome this overthinking. In this video I discuss few steps which will help you to overcome this problem. Step number 1, awareness. Whenever you are doing overthinking, you must know exactly when you are doing it. Is it when you are anxious, or is it when you are stressed out, or is it when you feel negativity? So my friends, knowing when you are doing overthinking is a first element you must know. And you must also watch how you are reacting to the situation. So this simple technique of awareness, awareing yourself when you are doing overthinking, and if you bring a small change, you can overcome this problem of overthinking. Step number 2, don't think of going wrong, think of going right also. Overthinking is caused by a single emotion, a fear. If you keep thinking negative, if you keep thinking negative thoughts, you will develop negative mind. So that moment, change your mind and visualize success and build up positive thoughts and keep these positive thoughts present and upfront. That moment and will definitely disconnect you from overthinking. Then number 3 is push yourself into happiness. Many of us, many times we can stop and we can overcome this overthinking when we are happy, when we get into some activity which gives happiness. So get and initiate and do activity which will keep you motivated and will keep you happy. It may be a dancing, it may be a reading, it may be a walking, any activity that gives you happiness. Do it that moment and will disconnect you from overthinking. Step number 4, put things into perspective. It's very common. We make smaller things big and we assume some things negative than they to be. Whenever you land into a situation of a mountain out of a molehill, ask yourself one question: how much this matters in the span of 5 years, or for that matter in next month? So this simple technique, whenever you think, land into this situation, ask yourself how much it matters in 5 years. So that simple change of question will help you and disconnect you from overthinking. Stop waiting for perfection. This is a big one. Many of us who are waiting for a perfection, stop waiting for it. Being ambitious is great, but aiming for perfection is unrealistic and impractical, friends. You've done your best, so don't wait for it. Whenever you feel that you have to do better, ask one question: waiting for perfection is as never smart as moving towards progress. This one thought will disconnect you from overthinking and makes you happy. The next is change your view of fear. Fear. Friends, you might have failed in the past, or you are visualizing failure again, or you have generalized the failures, or your fear of trying. Because you failed in the past, you expect, or you are expecting the same result this time. No, friends, don't think that. Think positive. Every new opportunity is a new beginning. Treat and move forward with optimism and positivity, energy that helps you to disconnect yourself from overthinking. The other trick is put the timer. Every day, put the timer and for 5 minutes and spend that 5 minutes thinking what made you happy, what made you unhappy. Once the timer is over, take out the paper and write down the points that gives you happiness and write some activities or points that gives you unhappiness. Simply, once this exercise is done, rip off this paper, throw it, and move yourself into some activity which will give happiness. And sure, this activity will help you to overcome this problem of overthinking. Realize you cannot predict the future is the next trick. Future is not in our hands, friends. If you are spending your time thinking about your future, you are doing mistake. I repeat, if you are spending your time thinking about your future, you are doing a mistake. You are robbing of your present time. Please understand that there is nobody can predict the future. So live in the present and make use of the present time for activities that gives you happiness. Accept your best. Yeah, many of us, we overthink ourselves, feeling that we should have done better, we should have practiced more, or we should have read more, or we should have spent more time on research. My friends, sky is the limit. When you put effort for some best, think that it is the best. And please understand that success need not only a perfection, but there are many other things also required for someone to be perfect. So don't overthink by feeling that you have to do the best. Whatever you have performed, accept it as the best. The last one, but powerful, be grateful. Friends, you cannot be regretful or grateful at the same time. So my suggestion, every day in the morning, take out a paper, pen, and list out the activities for which you are grateful, for which God has blessed you with great things that you can enjoy your life. And doing these small activities will definitely disconnect you from overthinking and moves you towards positivity with more energy and doing things better. Overthinking is very common. Each one of us will face this problem sometime or the other. But if you have some systematic approach, at least you move from negativity to positivity and you perform better. So these are all the small tips that I want to share with you in this video on how to stop overthinking. If you like it, move down and press the bell button, my friends. See you till next video. Thank you so much.